What's up? Welcome back to my channel. LaShondaCapri here. I hope you guys are having a great day. Yes, today is Halloween, so I want to wish everyone a happy Halloween, a safe happy Halloween. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do this Morticia Addams family makeup look. It's super easy and super quick, and I'm just going to jump straight into the video. Before I do, you already know what you gotta do. You gotta make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from your girl, and thumbs up this video and leave me down some positive comments down below. And let's just go ahead and get straight into this look. So really quick, I already went ahead and primed my face. I'm gonna go in with my Kick-Ass Soap and Glory foundation. This color is shade 12. I'm just gonna take a sponge to apply that on my face. This is something that's super quick and super easy if you're like looking for last minute Halloween costume ideas. This right here is super quick and affordable. Now I'm going to go in with this cream makeup palette here. I'm going to be using the white just to put all over my face as well to give me more of that, you know, effect and lighten up my face a little bit. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this Derma Blend Professional Loose Setting Powder just to set my face with. Y'all, after all these makeup looks that I've been doing, I am seriously going to have to do some type of facial treatment to my skin. I really am. Which I'll probably do an update video of that for you guys too. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer, just a little bit. Okay guys, moving on, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. I'm going to be taking some jet black eyebrow cream from Juvia's Place to do that. Okay, then we go for the brows. I'm very satisfied with how the brows came out. If you look at Morticia's eyebrows, she has them like super skinny at the end, so that's the look I was going for. Now I'm going to move on to concealing my eyebrows just a tad bit. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the white again, and I'm going to use that to prime my eyes. I'm going to go in with this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this gray color here, the closest to gray I could get, and I'm going to begin doing my eyes with that. Morticia wears this like grayish, smoky eye color, so that is what I'm going to be doing as well. I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild brush here, and like I said guys, this is all affordable. This Wet n Wild brush came from the dollar store for $1. I'm going to start adding that color into my crease. Start blending it out. Now I'm going to go in with some black eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go in with some black eyeshadow and deepen up my crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the inner crease. with the same exact white that I used before. Gonna go in with this Juvia's palette right here, and I'm going to take this white creamy color and pack it right where I did my inner corner cut crease. Now I'm gonna take a black liner and do my waterline. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that white I had earlier and just smoke that out a little bit in my bottom lash. Diffuse it a little bit. Taking that same black eyeliner and going into the corner of my eye with it. And then on my eyelid. I'm gonna do my other eye real quick and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna go in with like a top color and gray color mixed together to do that definition on my cheekbones. Now I'm going to define my nose just a little bit, just like Morticia. Now I'm going to go in with a highlighter. Now I'm going to go in with some Ardell Double Up lashes. You can choose to use lashes or not use lashes. I chose to use lashes.
See her in your dreams. Be sure you never, ever scream.
There we go. Lashes are on. I'm going to take some mascara and do my bottom lash. Now I'm going to be finished off this look with a red lip liner. Now for the finished touch, I'm going to go in with a red lipstick from Wet n Wild. You can use any red lipstick that you like. I'm just gonna go in with a red lip gloss from Juvia's Place just to darken it up. Okay, now I'm gonna go put on my wig and change my clothes, and I'll be right back. You guys really enjoyed this video. This video was super quick and super easy. I actually had tons of fun pulling this look together. Y'all let me know in the comments how you think I did. I think I did very well. I think I look just like a marvelous Morticia. And yeah, if you guys like this video, leave me down some positive comments down below. Leave me down some black hearts if you made it this far in the video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and share this video, and make sure you are following me on Instagram. I will leave the link down below. And like I said in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Halloween.